Yo. It's supposed to pass multiplicative persistence, which is the number of times you must multiply the digits in a num until you reach a single digit. What? Ah, okay. Because 3, 9 is 2, 7, and 2 times 7 is 14, and 1 over 4. Aha. Alright. It's called persistent bugger. But that's pretty easy. Cause... Huh? Oh no, fuck, I pressed next kata. Okay. Oh, train again. Yeah, I have already done this one. Damn, I forgot. I have already solved this one, what the fuck. So this is gonna start happening to me. Me stumbling upon katas that are already solved. No, I won't do beta kata, I won't do fucking beta. I said I shall stop cursing. I shall stop cursing. Why there are so many beta katas? You're just switching between 1 and 2. Cause, yeah. Get the middle character. You are going to be given a word. Your job is to return the middle character of the word. If the word length is odd, return the... If the word length is odd, return the middle character. If it's even, return the middle 2 characters. Okay. So I know probably a bad way to do this kata. Because basically you just say return and then you wanna slice the string. Now I know that it's probably okay to make even a list out of all the characters in a string, but we shall say length of string, and we shall say len. I mean, I like, oh, I remember that you can use len function on a string. Alright, s. So here we have length of a string, and then we'll say, and then we'll check return so we say, can you return a specific part of string, like in list? So if we say a equals to, I don't know, a b c d e f g, then you say a, and then you do something like that, like third character, yeah, you get d, which is incidentally the middle one. So that's the index of 3. So we say return index of the middle one. Okay, how do you get, if you have an uneven number which is halfway? If you say 57, how do we know which number is? Do we floor? We can divide it by 2 and then round up, right? So if we say if the number is 7 and we know that the middle, like halfway from 7 to 0 is what? 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Halfway is it's 3, no, 4. Halfway is 4. So we should get, so divided by 2, yeah, that's 3.5, but how do we, if we make an integer out of that, is it rounded up or down? it's rounded. Why? Come on, man. It always happens that it is not handy. Okay, but whatever. Return s with alright, so I just got an interesting information. So we shall say s, and then we shall pick out, so then we shall say s, and then we shall pick length of string, which remember is an integer, and we shall divide that floored down with 2, and then this should give us the middle letter of that string. Now, as we know, all of the tests, I mean, if that is true, at least some of the tests should be green, like the tests 2 and 4 should be green. So let's test it out. They are green. I guess my source of information was right. Or yes. So we say return string, and then we shall make an inline that, so we say if length of string modulo 2 equals 1. So what that just means, so you say return what we have just returned if the length of the string divided by 2 is 1. So if the length of the string is, if the string has odd number of characters. So we also do an else statement now. So if the number of them is even, so what should we do then? How do we do that? How do we select the first 2 letters, I mean characters in a string? Maybe we can the middle here is just OF. Well, what we could do is it's like cut from both ends until we get 2 left, but that would be overkill, I think. That would be an overkill, I think. Alright, so if I divide that by 2, then like I would get the upper, and then I just have to get the lower number. So we again say s, and then we kind of copy paste that length of string like divided by 2 floor down. But now I have to check out the Python syntax, cause we wanna do the part of the string. So we say that. Oh, that is gonna look really messy. But if we put that in of those braces, and we say from that -1 to that, so that and 1 letter before, and I can't paste it, I don't know why. Now I can't even select it. Copy, paste without -1. Let's see if that syntax is correct. E should equal ES. So what is doing is this syntax. I don't know what if I, oops. make this thing -2. Ah, now it is that there are two numbers. So you say TA is ES. So what should I really do is to say from -1 to that +1. And that passes. Yeah, alright, yeah, so we're probably gonna get shit for this ugly syntax over here. And like, the thing is that we always floor that by 2. So we say halved length. So we shall just like show a little care about our program, and we shall name that variable halved length, and we shall say length floored by 2. We shall just do that and say halved length. Oh, and also here. Oh yeah, but we can't do that because then we use that thing over here, but it's still better if we just rewrite it, you know. Halved length, and here halved length, and here I need to fix this parentheses so that the linter won't be red anymore, and I can put the thing together. Over here length of string variable does not exist anymore, so we just say len s. We test it again. Alright, attempts against all of the tests, and all of the tests pass, even the random tests. So we submit it and see how other smart people have solved this kata. I don't know if there can be a shorter way. Maybe is there a solution that where we don't have to differ between odd and even numbers? Because here we say do that if it's odd and do that if it's even. Maybe someone found a solution to where both of them. Oh yeah, oh my god. For example, this one. What do we have here? So you just you just got like s and you so they use that expression like cut a portion of the string with like this is like x and this is the like this sign in between and that, and they also used length of the string -1 divided by 2 and length of the string divided by 2 plus 1. Alright, I kinda do not understand this one, and I feel like I should, but I don't. So yeah, if we compare it with our solution, they're also the same names. Yay. But that's always like that, I know. Yeah. I mean, yeah, because it's always -1 divided by 2 plus 1 divided by 2. Damn. Like, you need to be smart to get this. I kinda do not get this. What? Just a moment. Alright, so I have tested this thing in my own editor. So, and this code only works in Python 2 as said down here in the comments. Why is plus end in the end? I'm new with this, thank you very much. Alright, so we've learned something about Python 2. We learned something about ourselves. And just for the finish, I said to myself that this shall, like, as Polya said in how to solve it, like to ask ourselves, where should this thing, like, what is another problem that we could solve with this solution? Where we get the middle thing, and now I just want to think of like one thing to get the middle of a string that we get. What could be the same what could be different problem with the same solution? Like like oh, if we have if for example if we get some kind of type of statistics data that is all in one string, um, like median, and to know what is the middle value, what is the most accurate value, is we make a function that picks out the middle one. That would be good enough. Is there another one maybe? To just like one element at odd ones and two elements at even ones. I don't know, but that with like result of some kind of statistics is a good one. Maybe somewhere in cryptography, I don't know. Alright, so that's it. Hope you like it. Bye.